Ever wanted to extract data from a website but got blocked or found the coding way too complicated? Well, you don't need to be a coding genius to scrape the web anymore. Today, we're looking at MrScraper, an AI-powered web scraper designed to turn messy web pages into clean, structured data automatically. So, what exactly is MrScraper? At its core, it's a web scraping API equipped with built-in proxies, headless browsers, and AI. Instead of spending hours writing custom code, MrScraper's AI analyzes web pages, detects patterns, and instantly turns any website into an easy-to-use API. It's built to give you clean, ready-to-use data at startup speed, whether you are doing market research or scaling up enterprise data. Let's talk about its standout features. First, the AI-powered scraping. It actually understands layouts and grabs what matters without you needing to manually map out elements. Second, it solves the biggest headache in scraping, getting blocked. With auto-rotated residential proxies, your IP address changes automatically, allowing you to collect data without bans or restrictions. Third, it features JavaScript scenarios. This lets you take control of the page before scraping, meaning you can automate actions like clicking, scrolling, and waiting for dynamic content to load. You can even capture clean, full-page screenshots with a single API call. Now, what do users think? To be completely transparent, we don't have a massive library of public third-party user reviews to share today. However, the platform is already trusted by over 6,000 people and companies, helping teams automate complex tasks like documentation migration. The clear pros here are the built-in rotating proxies, the intuitive AI layout detection, and the ability to run custom JavaScript actions. On the flip side, because public reviews are still limited, the best way to see if it fits your specific workflow is to test it yourself. If you want to try it out, you can get started for free. They offer step-by-step guidance to launch your very first automated scraper, and you can even book a call with their team if you need enterprise-scale infrastructure. Head over to MrScraper.com to check it out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.